Hi all, Rene here. I am here today to show you the January cut-above layout kit from the Craft with Heart scrapbooking subscription. Unfortunately, the first part of this video I lost, so I've already done the first 2 pages. The kit did come with everything you need to make it except for adhesive, and you do get the page protectors, and there is a sheet of stickers. I've already done the first 2 pages, so those stickers are gone, but here are the other stickers. I've already cut out all of the die cuts. There was only 1 sheet of die cuts, so that was kind of nice. This kit does make 2 two-page layouts. I've already put this one together, and unfortunately that's the footage that I lost, so I will just go ahead and show those to you real quick. I think they turned out really cute. I really love this wood grain behind, and I just think this will be really fun travel. I have a lot of travel pictures. My husband and I love to travel, so I think these 2 layouts will be really good for some vacation photos. So this one turned out really cute. Some of the things to remember are to leave this part open at the top so that you can tuck these pieces. The same with this. This one, what I did though, because this piece right here, this background banner is a sticker, so what I did was I stuck this down first to the sticker. After you do that, put a little bit of adhesive on here and then you can place everything. Now I did get this a little too far over, so I would suggest lining this up a little bit closer to the edge of this so that when you put this down, you have, because it looks like this on the other side, just a little thicker. That way you have that to use as a just a border around your picture. So that I would do that part different. Other than that, these 2 came together really well, really quick and easy. So I will go ahead and put some music on, and I will finish the second layout, which is this layout right here. So I hope you enjoy, and I will be back at the end. Okay, so here's the second layout. That was actually pretty simple. This was a little bit of a challenge to get all the little pieces out, but I think that was the hardest part of the whole thing, and that wasn't hard at all. So this was the kit. So here again is the first layout. I hope you enjoyed it. This was January's Cut Above Layout Kit from the Craft with Heart subscription service. If you have any questions, please leave those down below. I'll also leave a link down below in the description if you're interested in getting the kit for yourself. You have several ways you can get it, and that'll all be on the website that I link. So I hope you had a great time watching, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye-bye.